Clashes flared in parts of Sudan on the 108th day of the war on Sunday as mediation attempts by regional and international powers failed to find a path out of an increasingly intractable conflict. The fighting broke out on April 15 as the Army and Paramilitary Rapid Support Forces (RSF) vied for power. Since then, more than 3 million people have been uprooted, including more than 700,000 who have fled to neighboring countries. Some 1,136 people have been killed, according to the Health Ministry, though officials believe the number is higher. Neither the army nor the RSF has been able to claim victory, with the RSF's domination on the ground in the capital Khartoum up against the army's assault and artillery firepower. Infrastructure and government in the capital have fallen apart while fighting has spread westwards, particularly to the fragile Darfur region, as well as to the south, where the rebel pml-n group has tried to gain territory. Over the weekend, the RSF moved into villages in Gezira state directly south of Khartoum, where the army conducted airstrikes against them, according to witnesses.